7:15 p.m.
Another SVR.
At
What the hell?
4:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lakewood, or near Tom's River.
Oh my God, bro.
Northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60
Dude.
miles per
Oh, yeah.
hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Oh God.
Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Tom's River, Long Branch, Asbury Park,
What the heck?
Jackson, Howell, Season Falls, Manasquat, Point Pleasant Beach, Flamingo, Miccalogie, Leisure Village, Allenwood, Leisure Village East, Elmira, Ramtown, Brick Township, Collinwood Park.
Come on, WXM60.
Point Pleasant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloudy ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rain
Yeah, I cannot hear
with this storm
WXM60.
and may lead to flash flooding.
What
Do not
the?
drive your vehicle
Oh, wait.
through flooded roadways.
Oh, never mind. Alright, dude, what the heck?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special
Gosh.
rain warning for coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquat Inlet, New Jersey, out 29.